really cool sound with a guitar synth on organ. It's on organ number 4, I think. But they're all quite nice. This is quite a deep and rich one. You see the effects chain here. I've got this, the GP50 on the right, and then the synth comes next because it's got a bypass. So you don't want anything. You don't want the synth continually going through this effects pedal. Then it goes into the looper. So you can actually do a loop of this synth, which means you don't have to keep your foot on the pedal all the time. But anyway, I'll just show you with the pedal on. So I'm just going to do an A, single A string, and then once you do it with the effects on, let it settle down, and then hold your foot down. It's important to let it settle down because it gets a more consistent level and feel to it. But then you've got the pass through, you see. So it's just normal guitar with the effect going through there. I've got this rotary distortion sound that I quite like. But you could let's go to something else. Quite like this is quite nice. It's like the sustain pedal on a piano. So if I go to a G, you see I just took my foot off momentarily to catch the note, but avoid the change. And then go down to an F, then back to an A. So you can do this kind of thing. Clean sound. You get the idea. You can do it with all the different effects. I quite like that organ, I've just discovered that one. But pad is quite a safe bet. Here. By the way, you got all the resonant tones and everything here, so let me just show you. So if I do an A again, and then this, it's like a filter. You can have quite a muted sound. It's quite nice. You get the high end of the guitar coming through more then. Go even more muted. It's quite nice. Some starts with distortion as well on the lead. I say, you can loop it. So if I go into an empty loop here, I can go like this. It sounds alright with distortion on there. I'll just turn the volume down a little bit. Capture the sound we like, and then just do a loop, just for a random amount of time. Let's do a few seconds here.